Phil Lindemann with your midday news on Krystal 93. Summit County Coroner has identified the man who died dirt biking in Dillon this week as 58-year-old Richard Stevens of Cinicinati. Stevens collapsed while riding with a group above the disc golf course on Tenderfoot Mountain. He died of a heart attack. The local health board meeting just wrapped up in Breckenridge, where Health Director Amy Wineland explained why Summit's caseload is rising despite a local vaccination rate of 78%.
Since July 4th, Summit County has averaged almost 3 visitors per resident. So this is tied with San Miguel for the highest among resort counties, 50% higher than Pitkin, Gunnison, and Grand, and almost triple Routt and Eagle County. We love our visitors. They're really critical for our economic recovery. But they are playing a role here too.
Cell phone mobility data shows many visitors are coming from places with lower vaccination rates, which dilutes the local rate as low as 65%.
As a result, Summit's actual average daily population in July was likely between 72 to 84,000. These are overnight visitors that add to our population.
This has not translated to more cases at Summit Medical Center yet.
Typically, we see increases in numbers in cases, and then to follow, typically we see hospitalizations increase, which is what we are seeing across the state right now.
Residents in their 20s are most likely to get sick this summer, followed by those in their 40s. The county also extended the local public health order through end of August with no changes. Face masks are only required for children ages 2 to 11 at indoor childcare and camps. Commissioner Elizabeth Lawrence.
So that essentially means elementary kids going back to school in those first few weeks would be masked.
Yes.
The CDC is recommending all students and staff wear face masks this upcoming school year. And commissioners made one thing clear.
I would like to see the school district work and collaborate in terms of the CDC guidance. It would be helpful to know this.
Yeah, this just can't be on our shoulders. They need to be responsible for what's happening in their district, and it doesn't just need to come from us.
Wineland assured the board that yes, public health is working with the district on COVID protocols, but the district is also waiting on the Colorado Department of Health to weigh in. Today's meeting zeroed in on the Delta variant, now responsible for 92% of COVID cases statewide. Delta is just as contagious as chickenpox and tied to more than half of all breakthrough cases, where vaccinated people are getting sick. Wineland.
The vaccines, though not 100% effective, will prevent severe illness, hospitalizations, and deaths.
The final message from public health: if you've been out at concerts, baseball games, or other public events, get tested when you feel sick, or even if you don't, 3 to 5 days after the event. Several recent cases have been tied to the string cheese shows in Dillon this July. Get tested at Centura, the Care Clinic, or Bryan Avenue in Silverthorne. For the 5th time this summer, I-70 through Glenwood Canyon is closed for mudslides and flooding, meaning a 4-hour detour through Kremling, Steamboat, Craig, and Meeker. But are those state highways meant for heavy truck and commuter traffic? Mike Goolsby with CDOT.
State Highway 13 from Craig down, basically from the state line towards Rifle, is one of the highest resiliency areas that we identified. We've been slowly reconstructing State Highway 13, but with limited funds, trying to get all of them done at once is difficult.
Glenwood Canyon closed last night at 10:15. No estimate yet on reopening. In sports, the Rockies lost to the Padres last night 3-0. The Rockies play the Pods again tonight at 8:10. And in local sports, brought to you by American Family Insurance, the Weiss Agency, Race 3 of the Summit Trail Running Series is next week, August 4th, for the classic Baker's Tank 7K and 11K. Get registered through BreckenridgeRecreation.com. Phil Lindemann, Krystal 93 News.